Now for maintenance, I have Q-tips, oil, and just some plain alcohol. See if I can get them in the frame. Now basically what I'm going to do is take the machine back apart. I'm going to pull off my drive band, take off my Scotch tension band, pull my flyer off, pull my bobbin off, so all my parts are separate. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is take any fiber away that's anywhere on the wheel where it doesn't belong. I'm checking in between the rolls, taking by the bobbin holders, by the tension straps. Very good. I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol on my Q-tip. Put it around my tension knob and get that little piece of fiber that's in there out. And there. No fiber in there. I'm going to check with my other side of my Q-tip, the dry side. Put alcohol on my spring. Make sure there's no fiber in there. Take the dry side and move it up through here. Okay, I'm going to put that aside. Check that my bobbin is just fine. Nothing in here. I'm going to use the dry side of a Q-tip. Make sure the edges are clean. Look through, nothing caught in there. My flyer. I'm going to use the alcohol one. Get the little bits of fiber away from right in here. Not supposed to be there. Check by my hooks. No fibers in there. I'm going to use the dry side to go around my wheel. And the wet side. Make sure there's no fiber in there. I'm going to look through, nothing in there. That's good. The important thing that you're doing with maintenance is making sure that there are no bits and pieces of fiber stuck anywhere they don't belong to be, because in time they will build up and create an issue. Now I'm going to go through and oil my wheel again, just as if it was brand new. I'm going to put oil right here, right here, right here, down in here, right in here. And I'm just putting a drop on. I'm not soaking anything. You can always add more later, but it's very difficult to take it away. And that's my maintenance. I've cleaned everything. And it's ready to spin. Just make sure that everything is clean. No fiber stuck anywhere that it doesn't belong. And a nice coating of oil on the oil spots to make sure your wheel runs smoothly. If it ever starts to squeak or anything, stop immediately and clean your wheel. Thanks.